Hi everyone. In today's Solotech how-to video, we'll be learning how to make bulk changes to a quote. Ready to get started? Log in to Solotech. Click Customers or Quotes tab. Navigate to the customer name or quote number. Click on the quote number to open the quote record details. Click on the Line Items banner. Click Bulk Changes. Select the product line item checkboxes to update. Click the appropriate selection you want to change. Click the Next button. Make the appropriate changes from the drop-down menus. Click the Next button when done. Click the OK button. Note: it will take a moment to populate, and you will receive alerts when the system has saved the changes. During this time, leave the page open until the processing is complete. When it's complete, you will receive a notification pop-up. When complete, click the Next button. Click the Done button. Thanks for watching.